video, I'm going to show you how to manage agents inside IDX Broker, how to control their listings, and how to improve your agent pages using IDX add-ons and IDX Style. First, let's go to the Agent section. From your dashboard, click on Account, then Users, and then Agents. This is where you can see and manage all agents connected to your account. Now let's import a new agent. Click on the Import button. Here, you can search and select agents directly from your MLS. After selecting the agent, click on Import Selected Agents. If you have available agent slots, you can import more agents. In this account I'm using, the slots are full, so it won't allow me to import additional agents. Once imported, the agent will appear in your list. If you need more slots, go to Account, then Upgrade, and click on the Multi-User tab. There, you can select the number of users you want. After agreeing to the new charges, click on Submit Now, and you'll be able to add more users. Now let's edit the agent's information. Click on the Edit Agent icon next to the agent you want to update. Inside the agent settings, you can update a lot of information, but the main areas to check are the Account and Contact tab, where you should fill in the agent name, title or description, primary email where the agent will receive lead notifications, role, phone numbers, and bio information. When adding the bio, make sure to paste it using Paste and Match Style, or by turning the WYSIWYG editor off, so the text does not include custom fonts or sizes that could break the layout. You should also upload the agent photo or paste the image link in the photo section. In the MLS tab, make sure the correct name is selected, since incorrect settings here may cause the wrong listings to appear. In the Roster tab, you can control whether the agent shows on the roster page, and also add an external website, which can replace the agent profile page if you enable the redirect option. Finally, it's a good idea to select the languages the agent speaks to give them more visibility. Next, let's make sure listings are showing correctly. Go to Account, then click on Featured IDs. From there, click on the Agent ID button. Select all the agents you added from the list, and then click Save. All listings from the selected agents will appear on your Featured Listings page. If you notice missing listings, make sure all agents in your office are selected here. Now, let's look at the agent roster page. Go to Design, then Website, then Page Templates, and open the roster page link. This page displays all your agents and offices automatically. While you are in the Page Templates section, you can also improve the roster page layout by clicking on Edit, selecting any of the available templates, and then clicking Save. Keep in mind that some Pro templates, like Luxury Group, may not be available unless they are purchased separately. You can contact us using the link in the description to learn more about these templates and how to access them. Now let's visit an agent page. To improve the design of this page, you can use IDX add-ons. Open the IDX add-ons dashboard and click on IDX Styles. Here, you can apply styles like Basic or Essential to give your agent pages a cleaner and more modern look. Now let's look at one of the IDX add-ons tools. The Agent widget lets you display your agents in a grid or carousel layout anywhere on your site. With this widget, you can show the agent photos, names, and contact information with links to their IDX profile pages, and you can also include social media links configured in the widget settings, which will be displayed directly on the agent cards. This widget is perfect for About or Team pages, especially if you prefer not to use the default roster page from IDX Broker and want more flexibility in your design. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions or need help with anything, feel free to contact us.